And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center. Going to give you a video tour this morning of this brand new 2020 Brookstone 310RL. Beautiful coach. We're going to start with the outside and then move in and come back out around. You're going to notice this beautiful front cap with LED lighting, solar ready in the front for that portable solar panel. Nice large front compartment, metal lined compartment, great for your heavy tools and accessories that you might want to bring along with you. Going to come with 2 batteries, 2 propane tanks that'll be full. Very large front compartment here. The side compartment pass through, massive pass through, and those panels are easily removable for any service. We've got frameless windows, outdoor speakers, power for additional television with a holder there for a TV. You're going to notice that we've got 2 awnings. All of the slide outs have toppers on them already. So you've got 2 large awnings and toppers on all the slide outs. I've got the large solid step coming in with the large grab handle. This is a beautifully decorated coach. As you step in, all of your controls are right here. It is going to have tank heaters on the tanks. This is a 4 Seasons coach. Coming around the side here, very large, beautiful windows with nice valances, dark out shades. You've got the dinette table that seats 4 very comfortably. Thomas Paine furniture for your theater seating. These do have heat and massage. They are electric. You've got a pull-out bed here, and this is going to be a trifold bed. It's not a jackknife sofa. We've got USB ports and power on both sides of the couch. Large television with a nice fireplace that does work as a heater. It's an LED colored fireplace display, really nice. DVD, CD player, AM, FM, of course, USB port, and it is Bluetooth compatible. On the cabinet side, we've got lots of cabinets and drawers all the way around this island. 4-door refrigerator with a nice pantry. You've got the hutch set up here, USB ports, and again more power. Additional spot to plug in a coffee maker, blender, whatever it is that you like to do. Touchpad controls with more lighting controls right here. Very easy to light this coach up. You can see it's got tons of LED lighting. Coming up the stairs, got a nice walk-in shower, porcelain toilet, plenty of space to put your toiletry items, a nice bowl sink with a medicine cabinet above, and additional storage underneath. Coming into the bedroom, we're going to have a king-size bed. We're going to have power on both sides of the bed. This unit does come with 2 air conditioners, is washer dryer ready, already all set up with a nice wardrobe closet, nice dresser drawer with nice pullouts. It's already got another television. This coach comes so standard with so many things. If you look at all the options that are on this coach and what it standards out with, it just comes very well equipped. Let's go back outside for a moment. Really exciting. You've got both of these awnings. And again, all of your slide outs are going to have toppers on them. LED lighting behind those awnings. Frameless windows. You've got the hitch in the back to add that bike rack or storage rack. It's pre-wired for backup camera. A nice ladder to go to the roof. It is a walk-on roof. Coming around to the side, you've got nice mag wheels. You've got the leveling system. It's got a fully automatic leveling system. There's your docking station. It's got everything right there, all inside, heated for the winter. And your leveling controls are right there, and your battery disconnect. This is a great coach. It's brand new line for us, and we're really excited about it. If you have any questions on this coach or any other, please give me a call. It's Ron McGowan at 541-968 6010 or ron.mcgowan@guaranty.com. Thank you and have a great day.